In the last 12 months, nearly 3 million jobs were posted that require Salesforce skills. Salesforce is the leading customer relationship management platform used by thousands of companies to track interactions with customers, streamline processes, monitor sales, and generate important business reports. Hundreds of companies and industries need people with these abilities. People with Salesforce skills are needed to do things like help a nonprofit like the Red Cross track their interactions with donors, support Allstate Insurance to streamline systems for communicating with customers, or enable a tech startup to monitor its sales pipeline of new deal opportunities. In the Salesforce Administrator Career Certificate, you'll learn how to configure customer relationship management platforms and use the Sales Cloud and Service Cloud products. You'll become a competitive applicant for roles requiring Salesforce administration abilities, which are expected to grow by 32% in the next 10 years. Built for busy people who want to take the next step in their careers, this certificate program is 100% online. You'll have access to experienced instructors ready to support your learning and provide you with personalized feedback. Working at your own pace, you'll work through projects that mirror the ones you'll need to perform on the job. For example, you'll import data into Salesforce, generate reports and dashboards, create custom formula fields, record types, and objects, configure advanced reporting and analytical tools, track data in a typical sales process, and set up efficient business processes. You'll master in-demand tools like Salesforce Sales Cloud and Salesforce Service Cloud, and get a head start in your preparation for the Salesforce Administrator exam. Most importantly, when you finish this program, you'll be ready to apply for roles as a Salesforce Administrator at companies like Quicken Loans, Deloitte, and Bank of America. Or you'll be ready to take on additional Salesforce responsibilities at your current job or for your own business. We'll offer career services like coaching, interview prep, and job connections to help you accomplish your goals. Take your career to the next level. Learn more and sign up at certificates.pathstream.com.